Hello.
Yes, yes, hello. I am listening.
Okay.
Yeah.
How are you, sir?
Yes, I am fine and everything is going smoothly. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm also good, brother. Thank you for asking. This is the helping to each other. We are talking to each other. This is really good for us. So
Yes.
we are learner to also good speaker in future. So what types of problem you are facing in speaking purpose? Can you share me?
Yes, actually, uh, even though I am doing hard work, but still I am not getting fluency, and my grammar is still uh, imperfect. And
Okay.
many time I'm making a sentence, but there is I'm not in that. I'm not following the grammar rule, and sometime I forget the vocabulary, and
Mm-hmm.
I in between speaking I stuck. That is the also my problem. So there are three main problem. I stuck means there is a lack of grammar, and I am stucking, and I don't have fluency, and I am forgetting the vocabulary.
Mm-hmm. But
Uh,
even though you are trying, this is need for everyone.
yes,
Even though you have lots of difficulty, you have facing lots of difficult situation while learning, but still you are learning. This is need for everyone who is beginner, who is intermediate. Uh, but you are learning. This is good sign for you because you also
yes,
interested to speak in English. So this is before we discuss, discuss many things. We can share to each other. Uh, where you are, and what's your name? Can you introduce me?
actually, can you say again what you say?
Yeah, I'm asking you. Could you please introduce me?
Yes, yes. Actually, I'm Manmohan Rathia. I'm from the Chhattisgarh state of India,
Mm-hmm.
and I have completed my graduation in BTech in Computer Science Engineering from NIT Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And nowadays, I am preparing for competitive exam to get a government job.
Mm-hmm.
And I mostly till 12th class I have done my schooling in Hindi medium, but I have done engineering in English medium.
Mm-hmm.
And I find English is very essential in my college days, because everything was in English in my graduation. So in my college time I was lacking in English, and nowadays I am also lacking in English spoken, but I am constantly improving myself to get a good English speaker. And this is me, Manmohan Rathia.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So never give up, dear my brother. Never give up because I'm also learner. I'm also working hard in this field because I also want to be a good communicator in English language. So that's why I'm preparing. That's why I'm, uh, daily basis practicing with my friends, with my, you know, foreign friends. So it's my duty. If any problem I'm facing, just I just understand I'm facing in this particular section. I just understand and I am working on it. This is the way we can communicate anything in English language because we are learner. We face lots of difficulty, but we never give up. This is our motto. I think your motto is same. So
Yes, yes.
this is good sign for you. This is good sign for me. So uh, how long have you been, practicing, or how long have you been working in this particular platform? Only for
Yes,
this
yes.
purpose.
Actually, I did not know much about Skype app before your recommendation. I
Okay.
think 20 days ago you have just recommended this app to
Mm-hmm.
me, and from that 20 days, I am using this app to improve face-to-face spoken English communication with
Okay.
my friends whenever I need.
Yeah, and calling me. So uh, we are talking about you just 20 days ago you started speaking through Skype application. So
Yes,
what
yes.
is experience when you started speaking with video call? What is your comfort zone? Could you please share me something about experience? What is your in before you face lots of fear, after that you use lots of time in Skype with video call with anyone. So tell me something. What is the problem you are facing? What is the you know different you observe yourself?
Yes, earlier, I used to speak English in speak English app without voice call. But in that app, I could talk with freely. But if I am talking with the video call, then I have to speak uh, very right and accurate so that if someone is recording me, uh, they can also understand me. But earlier in that app, I will speak without any rule of grammar, without fearing. But I have to, if I am using this Skype app with video call, I have to be more cautious uh, because in face-to-face communication, there is some fear about mistake I am doing. So in a video call, I have to be more cautious and more accurate in my sentence making. So
Mm.
this is the my experience in video calling, spoken English communication.
Okay, okay, that yes, absolutely true. You are correct. Even though I'm also facing lots of fear while speaking with audio call, but when I started speaking with video call with my friends, with my tutors, so they also told me that you should practice video call with anyone which is from very good, which is really good you for really good sign for you, because you need to speak more, because if you practice more, it is really good sign for you. You will be able to speak with anyone. That's why
Yes,
I'm
yes,
practicing. I practice with my friends. I practice with my tutor, with my colleagues. So it's good sign, because if you practice more, you can definitely fluent in English language.
yes, yes.
Focus on it. So we talk about last time about your state. And then as you told me that what is favorite place in your state. Could you please share me something about your place?
Yes, actually, I am living in Chhattisgarh, and in Chhattisgarh, there are some various places which is to I think a good place to visit. Like there is a famous Chitrakoot waterfall in Chhattisgarh,
Mm-hmm.
and there are Rajim Mela, which is famous,
Okay.
and I think there are Bastar Dasara,
Okay.
which is also famous in southern part of Chhattisgarh.
Mm-hmm.
And I think there is a very famous river in Chhattisgarh that is Mahanadi, and in the river of in the bank of Mahanadi there is a famous city that is Chandrapur is located, and that is very famous tourist place, and it is very religious place for Hinduism. In the
Okay.
bank of Mahanadi river, that is Chandrapur place.
Okay. 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 So
Yes.
So, in a day, how many friends you talk with your friends? How many time?
Actually, when I don't use this Skype app, that
Mm,
time I use Speak English app, which is also a English communication app. In that app, I speak every day at 6 to 7 p.m. every day to
okay.
improve my spoken English. In that, I means in that app, there is no facility of face-to-face English communication. But in that app, we use just like a phone call.
Mm-hmm,
Yeah, it's voice-to-voice call.
mm-hmm,
So there are more than two or three friends. I will talk every day in between 6 to 7 p.m. using English speaking app. But generally, when someone asks me, that time I use Skype English app. Or sometimes when I feel to speak my friend with the video call or video mode, so that
mm-hmm.
we can watch ourselves how we are speaking using this Skype app. That time I use this Skype app. Otherwise, I prefer to speak English app.
Okay, okay. It is your opinion, but okay, you are practicing daily basis 6 to 7. It's also good for you. It is also good sign for you because you are also want to be a good communicator in English language. You also, yes, it is need for everyone in India, especially in like maybe you are also village area.
Yes, I am from the very remote area of Chhattisgarh, and I think my village is located approximately 50 kilometer from my district.
Okay, okay, okay. It's not bad thing because all the village, even though I'm also village, I'm living in village, even though I'm also practicing English, this is good sign for us because India is growing, everyone so interested, is interestingly, invest their time to speak in English language. So it is really good sign for India. So we definitely grow in English language. We never give up because it's good. It's good thing.
Yes, yes,
We are practicing to each other. We are practicing with friends. So it's really beneficial for us. So in India, lots of educated person they can't speak in English, but they have quality to you know they have qualification, but they can't speak English because they have lack of knowledge. They have lack of confidence while speaking. This is good sign for us. We are practicing. We are invest our time with proper place, and we definitely reach our place with good manner. So
yes.
if you share something about this video conversation, you can share.
Actually, which type of conversation you are telling means this our this conversation.
Yes. If you share through this video call, through this video, you can share with me.
Okay, okay. So means what I can share with you, right?
No, I'm not asking any particular place. I'm not asking you any particular section. If you have any query, if you have any uh, doubt, or like if you in your mind something is coming, then you can share.
Yes, yes. Actually, when it comes to Chhattisgarh, mostly people think about Naxalism, but
Okay.
uh, Naxalism is not very much spread in the Chhattisgarh. It is only in the few district of, and only in the few part of that district is spread uh, spread Naxalism. Actually, very two or three district which is affected by Naxalism. But overall, if you see the Chhattisgarh is a very good place, and it is the very good state, and and people of Chhattisgarh are uh, very innocent, because people of mostly people of Chhattisgarh, one third people of Chhattisgarh is tribal,
Mm,
means they are very innocent. They are dependent on the agriculture, and mostly people of Chhattisgarh live in the uh, village area and more in the forest area, because almost one third part of Chhattisgarh is covered in the forest. So I think people who are living in the village, mostly they prefer to live in the forest areas.
okay, 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 okay. Yes, yes. I agree, totally agree with you. And I think it is time to take break our conversation purpose because
Okay,
yeah. So if you have time, you please message me. I will definitely speak with you because it's my duty. So it is my duty. So we can talk with another time. Okay.
yes, yes, yes. Okay,
Bye.
okay. Thank you, bye.